Hi everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Vrbo Traveler Analytics feature. So let me tell you guys, Vrbo provides a powerful free analytics suite for hosts called Market Maker and Performance Dashboard. These tools help you track search volume, compare your properties rates to competitors, and optimize pricing to increase revenue. So one of the feature is the performance dashboard. This dashboard gives you a snapshot of how your listing is doing in the Vrbo marketplace. So to access this feature, what you're going to have to do is open your Vrbo Owner and then log into your Vrbo Owner dashboard and then navigate to the performance tab and followed by ranking metrics. Now search impressions, property views, booking conversions, rates, and estimated future revenue over 30 to 60-day intervals. So to use it, view your ranking metrics compared to the market average and check your progress toward becoming a premier host. If your search impressions are high, but views are low, it means your photos or pricing might need optimization. The next is Market Maker. Market Maker is Vrbo's competitor data and dynamic pricing tool. It provides aggregated data on unbooked and booked properties in your competitive set. So to access this, from the left-hand menu of your Vrbo Owner dashboard, select Market Maker. The tool displays a graph comparing your current rates, which is blue line, to the average booked rates in the market, which is a green line, and available property, which is gray line. A yellow line tracks exactly how many searches are happening in your area. Now tap on available opportunities to see Vrbo's algorithm suggestions for increasing rates in high demand periods or offering discounts during slow periods. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.